Take a look at 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link front suspension classification, solid live axle, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.